Okay, we're going to find the intersection of a linear system using Desmos. So first, on the first line, I'm going to type in my first equation, y equals negative 1 divided by 2, and I'm going to use the right arrow to get out of the fraction, x plus 4. So notice this line is in slope-intercept form. So there's the y-intercept, and I can click down here, there's my x-intercept. Okay, so the second line is x minus y equals 2. Okay, so there's my second line, and I can see the two intercepts of those lines are 2, 0, and 0, negative 2. So those are solutions of the second line. But what I want to know is, what is the solution to the system? So in Desmos, I can just simply click on that point, and I can see when x is 4 and y equals 2, the system has a solution there. So that is the point they have in common. Okay, let me go to the second example. Okay, my first line is x plus y equals negative 4. And the second line in the system is 2x plus 3y equals 0. Now I can see that these lines are not parallel, so they will cross, but the problem is they're off the screen. So one way to find the solution is to drag the window with your mouse in the white space or with your finger on a touchscreen and make the solution visible. So now I can simply click on the point, and I see the solution is x equals negative 12 and y equals 8. Another option is to change the window yourself. So I'm going to go back over here to the home and go to the default window. And I see I need to go to the left and up some. So I'm going to change those values. So in my x, I'm going to go to negative 15 on the x. And my y, I need to go higher. So I'm going to make that 15. Let's see. Well, there's the solution. It's now visible. So I can click on the intersection, and once again I see x is negative 12 and y is 8. So let me check those values. In the first equation, negative 12 plus 8, and notice the result is negative 4. Let me check the second equation. 2 times negative 12 plus 3 times 8, and notice the result of that is 0. So by checking it, I can see that negative 12 for x and 8 for y checks in both equations. And that agrees with the point on the screen. So that is how to find an intersection in Desmos and adjust the window.